If you've ever wanted to check how much time you've spent on a game in the Epic Games Launcher, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to check total playtime on Epic Games Launcher in just a few easy steps. This is really useful if you want to keep track of your gaming hours, compare progress across different games, or simply see which game has taken up the most of your time. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software and gaming guides. Let's jump right in. First, open the Epic Games Launcher on your computer and wait for it to fully load. Once you're inside, you'll want to go to the Library section. This is where all of your owned and installed games are listed, so it's the best place to start when you want to find playtime information. Now look through the library and find the game you want to check. You can scroll through your list if needed, or use the search area if your library is large. Once you've found the game, look directly under the game's title. In many cases, Epic Games will display the total playtime right there, making it very quick and easy to view. If you don't see it immediately, don't worry. There's another simple option. Click the three dots next to the game, then choose View Game Details. This opens a more detailed page for that specific game. On this page, the total playtime is usually shown, along with other useful information about the game. Take a moment to check the playtime value and make sure you're looking at the correct game. If you have multiple similar titles installed, it's always a good idea to confirm you click the right one. This helps avoid confusion and make sure you get the exact hours you're looking for. And that's really all there is to it. In just a couple of clicks, you can see your total playtime on Epic Games Launcher without needing any extra tools or complicated settings. It's a simple feature, but it's very handy if you like tracking your gaming habits or managing your playtime. If this video was helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more easy tech tutorials, gaming tips, and step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.